Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I've got another interesting one for you that you can find in most local big box stores. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about today. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that opening. Now, as you saw, we're going to take a look at the Cremo Company's revitalizing beard oil bourbon scent. I know, right? Now, we brought something from them to the channel before. Look up top. You're going to see a card with every other beard care product we've ever brought to the channel. You're going to see their other one in there, which is their Forest Blend. Honestly, when I got into beard oil about 2 years ago, this is like the third or fourth one I think I ever bought. Alright, I honestly think I got my first one from a battle box. My second one was that Smolder beard oil, which was in that card. Then I think going into Walmart introduced me to Cremo, and I went, okay, let me try these things out. You can find them at www.cremocompany.com. Now, like I said, I purchased this locally at my Walmart. Now, they say this company was born to be astonishingly superior. And I get it, because it's a great beard oil for the price. It really, truly is. It doesn't leave a greasy feeling, coats evenly, and leaves a really good after smell. Doesn't smell like you've been pounding, a whiskey barrel all day long, but it leaves a great smell in your beard. Now, the company started when Mike, he's one of the founders, couldn't find a shaving cream that was up to his standards. So, instead of settling, he did what maybe like 1% of the population would do. He said, fuck it, created his own company so he can make something a bit superior and change the industry. You got to give him respect for that. I can't find what I want, so I'm going to make what I want, and we're going to get it out there and get it to people who think just like I do. Awesome, man. That's freaking just amazing. Now, like I said, the scent profile is bourbon. It's got a very light to medium, like, hold around in your beard. It really doesn't last long for the scent, but the feeling in your beard lasts a good 6-7 hours, which I'm okay with, so I don't have to reapply 2-3 times a day. It's a 1 ounce amber bottle with the eyedropper top. Now, hopefully you can see that. It does have a yellowish tinge to it, which is okay, just because that's how the carrier oils basically interact and, get it going together. Now, it's got sunflower oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, coconut oil, rosemary extract, soybean oil, and fragrance. Alright, pretty much standard stuff out there. This is what gets me. Alright, we're going to get to prices and then we'll get into the other fun stuff. So, on Cremo.com, it's sold out. When I went and checked a little while ago when I was going to do homework on this, it said exclusive to Walmart. So when I went to Walmart.com, it was $9.82. When my local Walmart, I think it's like $9.99, so no big deal. That's slight variance. But what killed me is when I went to Amazon.com and they had it, $29.98. Not making it up. $30 for a 1 ounce bottle that's exclusive to your Walmart? No thanks. Hard pass. Now, with beard oil, you got to look at it as a vitamin supplement for your skin that's underneath your beard. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils to keep your hair growing strong, keep it growing great, keep it growing beautiful and not dry and brittle. So that beard oil is a supplement for your skin. And it's really easy to use. Like I showed you, it has a little eyedropper top. Squeeze in as much as you need, get it into your hands, rub your hands together, and basically work it in. Comb it out, and there you go. You have just basically revitalized your beard. Ow. Yeah, I can faintly smell the bourbon in there. Now, granted, this bottle's been around my house now for about 9 months, so I get some beard care products, the scent and the lasting everything, it fades over time. No big deal. But it's still great when it goes into your skin. It still works incredible. I know, I'm keeping this one a little short today. A little bit because my battery's about to die up there and I really don't want to reshoot this thing. I'm so sorry. But, here's the fun part of the video for me. I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything, man, down below. Especially if you've used the Cremo company before. I'd love to know your experiences because the only other one I've ever used has been their forest scent, and I think it's incredible. I really, truly do. Now, yeah, we're wrapping it up kind of quick on this one. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for viewing this video. I know you have lots of options out there on YouTube and your time is valuable, so thank you for spending it with me. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers of the channel, I don't know if you can hear it, but the cuteness factor's over on the couch whispering, trying to get my attention. But as I said, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers that didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance at redemption. Look down below. It's going to be in that corner. Huge channel symbol's going to pop up. Man, click on that thing. Going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and hit subscribe, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time my channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Sorry for the brevity on this one, but there's my quick look at the Cremo Revitalizing Beard Oil Bourbon scent. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.